Hello folks, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show how you can integrate Tailwind CSS with Vite project. So let me show you the steps you can follow and integrate Tailwind CSS in your Vite project. First of all, copy this piece of code, click enter, wait for 1 minute. Oh, city map project. Follow these steps, npm install. Then you have to copy this code. So this will add the dependency of Tailwind CSS in your Vite plus React project. Wait for 1 minute. Till then, you can also check out this Tailwind CSS doc section where you know all about its components and how to make your website and UI even better. So prerequisite of this website is and this particular framework is to know basic CSS, cascading style sheet. Let me see my build is done or not. It's still going. Now you have to paste this code in your VS Code terminal. Now wait for 30 seconds. Next step, you have to copy this code and run in VS Code. Now it's done. Paste that. As you can see, tailwind.config.js file is present after installing that dependency. You can also cross check in package.json. Let me show you. Yeah, this one and this one you added recently. Okay, now you have to add the part to all of your template files in your tailwind.config.js file. Just copy this code, go to tailwind.config.js file, just paste that particular code. Now it's done. Now copy this piece of code and add in your index.js. Sorry, index.css. Just remove this, paste this. Now it's done. Now again run npm run dev. Okay. This is happening due to index.css which you have removed recently. Now add tailwind.css. Let me remove some code. Just write class name, text. Hey, Tailwind, how are you, dude? Let's give text 7 XL, text center, text color. Let's give us yellow. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, great. We finally integrated Tailwind CSS in our Vite plus React project.